Hello SFUSD student. During distance learning, you will take the reading inventory test at home. Here are the steps to accessing the reading inventory test. First, you will type into your web browser the URL clever.sfusd.edu. You will be brought to this login page. Select the Login with Google button. Type in your district email username with the @s.sfusd suffix at the end. Then type in your password. If you do not know your password, please contact your teacher. Once you have entered your login credentials, you will be brought to your Clever homepage. Scroll to find the Reading Inventory button. It will be the blue rectangle with an R and magnifying glass. Select this button. You will then be brought to the HEMH Central homepage. Verify your name at the top. Then you will select the rectangle Reading Inventory button at the bottom. Before the assessment begins, you will be asked to select what kinds of books you like to read. You can select 3. Once you've selected the 3 types of books you like to read, you will select the Next button at the top right corner. You will then be brought to a directions page where you can choose to have the directions read to you or read the directions to yourself. Once you have done this, select the Next button at the top right-hand corner. At this point, the assessment will begin. You will have the option to change the contrast of the screen, the font size of the text, and to skip up to 3 questions without penalty. When you finish a question, you select the Next button at the top right-hand corner. Be sure to read the passage carefully, select your answer before selecting Next. Thank you for listening to this tutorial, and I know you'll do your best on the assessment.